Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the data types. So data types are found in the data tab. So you click data tab, then you come here where we have data types. So we have different types as shown here. For example, geography, chemistry, anatomy, location, plants, movies, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to use geography to explain data types. So for example here, I'm going to type country. So for example, we have Kenya, we have Ethiopia, we have UK, so we have USA, so we have for example, we have Ghana, we have Israel, we have Germany, and so on. So in order to use it, so we select this and we change this to an Excel table. So Control T, then that becomes an Excel table. So we can remove the filter button. Then you have to be connected, that is online, because the data type search information online. So for example here, I'm going to change this to data type. So you click on data, then click geography. So that changes that to data types. So as you can see, these icons here before the name of the country. Then there is another icon here, so which will search information. So for example, maybe we need the flag of a country. So we shall look for image. So this is the image, and all the flags are shown. So maybe we look for the calling card. So those are the calling cards. So then search for the area of a country. So those are that is the area. Then we have the armed forces size. So that is the armed forces size. Then we search for the birth rate. So, and many more other information, like for example GDP. So let us look for GDP. So that is the GDP for different countries, and many other information that you like. For example, the national anthem. So you can search the national anthem for different countries. So this one. So the language they talk. So for example, language, even maternal rate. So let us look, or we can get the population. So let us search for example for population. So that is the population, and maybe so the language. Yeah, this was the national anthem. So we look for language. So that is the official language. So it is shown there. So and so on. So then here, for example, if you add any other country, So for example, let us put in Russia. So after searching, so it gives you the details. So then, for example, Canada. And so on. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video. So please subscribe to my video.